Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The day I decided to film my YouTube videos after so long, and these vehicles outside has to make this big ass sounds that I just don't like in my videos. Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lata Madhwani. For those who don't know me, I make makeup related videos here, and today it's gonna be a huge, big. Do you remember the Pink Friday sale which was going 2 months ago? I received parcel 1.5 months or 2 months ago, and today I'm unboxing in front of you. I know it's been so long. This sale कब का हो गया, but after I make 2-3 videos and give you a sneak peek regarding my life is so messy and busy, and today is that one fine day that I got time to film it for you guys and unbox it all that I've received from 2 months ago. Okay, so it is just not gonna be the Nykaa haul, but also few more items that I received from other brands, which I'm gonna be keeping in this video by the end of the video. But major items are from Nykaa sale. They had like huge discounts on luxury brands as well as the drugstore brands, so it is a mixture of that. Luxury and drugstore goes really well. Hanji, so I've also decided that I will be trying out few of the items from what I've received to give you that first impression review as well while I'll be trying it on my face, because I'm excited to try out few products, and I thought let's just not show you guys I've got this, this is that, I got it by this, but the real authentic review will be while I try it on my face and you guys will be seeing the actual results, right? Let's see. For the thumbnail, okay? So we'll be doing it for the thumbnail. Done. Oh my god. Okay, so that's a lot of makeup. The first product has to be my favorite primer. I use it on my clients, I use it on me. My top favorite that I keep on purchasing. This is like my 20th time I repurchased. So ये primer बहुत अच्छा है. As soon as you apply, like I'm applying in the video, आपका skin एकदम smooth हो जाता है, pores एकदम blur हो जाते हैं. So you get a smoother base to work on. It's a matte primer, so definitely pair it with some oil and you're good to go. Totally recommend it. Go for it. You'll love it. I've already opened few of the items, like couple of the items that I had to use it on my daily basis, like on my clients. So this is one of it. I cannot do without this, you guys. It's called MAC Studio Fix Conceal and Correct palette. It's in the shade medium, I guess. Yeah, peach and yellow is basically great for correctors, and you'll be getting concealers into it too, so you love it. So these are all the shades. I've already used the peach and yellow corrector, as you can see, for correcting the skin, and it's really great for Indian skin tone. Definitely go for it if you're a makeup artist, or even if you're a budding makeup artist and you're thinking to buy a nice conceal and correct palette. This is it. MAC Studio Fix Conceal and Correct palette is to die for. Go for it, you guys. Use it around your eyes. Then you can just जहाँ पर आपके पिंपल मार्क्स छूट गए वहाँ पर लगा सकते हो, like I am doing, and also around the mouth. जैसे आपका अराउंड द माउथ ग्रे नहीं लगे आफ्टर यूर डन विथ योर फाउंडेशन. तो ये मुझे कुछ डिस्काउंट पर नहीं मिला. इट्स अराउंड लाइक 4000 आई गेस. आई विल पुटिंग अप द प्राइस हियर. सो आपने कुछ अगर 3000 के ऊपर परचेसिंग करी है तो आपको फुल साइज प्रोडक्ट फ्री मिलता है ऑन नायका. तो मैं मैक प्रोडक्ट्स हमेशा वाइल इट्स ऑन ऑफर कि यू बाय इट फॉर 3000 यू बी गेटिंग वन फुल साइज प्रोडक्ट. मैं ज़्यादातर मैक के प्रोडक्ट्स वही टाइम पर रहती हूँ. सो द लिपर दैट आई एम वेयरिंग टुडे इज मुझे फुल size product मिला था is free with this, which I'll be showing you once we'll be on the lipper side. So my loves, now that we are on the color correcting part, if you do not want to buy such expensive palettes, I've got you. So this is Maybelline Fit Me's concealer. Concealers can be used as color correctors too. तो मैं ये भी यूज़ करती हूँ in the shade 40 Caramel. बहुत ही अच्छा काम करता है. सेम काम करता है कलर करेक्टर का. उसके ऊपर आप कंसीलर लगा के you can just vanish your dark circles and say them bye. What better day to buy foundations when Huda Beauty foundations are on sale? I love them. Total full coverage, and I use it on my brides. The shade Chai and Amarati are best selling for Indian skin tone. I had to grab it. ज़्यादातर शेड्स सेल आउट हो गए थे, बट होपफुली जो 2 शेड्स मैं यूज़ करती हूँ वो मुझे मिल गए. एंड आई एम यूजिंग द शेड अमराटी 310G इन द वीडियो. बाय द वे, सी हाउ फुल कवरेज इट इज़. इट कवर्स एवरीथिंग. मुझे कंसीलर्स की भी नीड नहीं पड़ती है इसके ऊपर लगाने के लिए. वोंट बी अप्लाइंग कंसीलर टुडे बिकॉज इट्स full coverage. So now that we're on eyes, let's talk about eyebrows. I cannot live without Etude House's drawing eyebrow pencil. It's in the shade dark brown. I ordered 2 because I just want to stock them up, and I already have 20 at my studio because every time I have courses, I order it in bulk. Go for it, love it. Totally. You can see it in the video how perfectly it draws my eyebrows and fills in it. So grab it. Once I heard e.l.f. is finally on Nykaa, I could not resist to buy e.l.f. I already had their eyebrow pencil, which I use it for my personal use, but this intrigued me. It's called e.l.f.'s Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. As you can see in the video, it's just like, it's just used for setting your eyebrows. Once I'm done with the filling and shaping and everything, I just topped it off with lash and brow mascara from e.l.f. to make it and stay put all day. This is my best purchase from Nykaa's sale. It's called Huda Beauty's Retrograde Palette. I needed it from the start. What better day to grab it on 50% off? Guys, you can see it yourself. Look at the full tutorial, how great it looks. Look at the palette. Oh my god, look at her. First off, I started with Karma, which is a nice brown transition shade. I also applied Utopia above the transition shade to create a nice blend. And then for deepening the crease, I applied Hot Mess, like you can see in the video, blend it nicely. Later, for deepening it up more, I use this dark plum purple gray shade called Vortex right from my lash line to the outer V, just to deepen the crease up. And later I could not decide what metallic shade should I use, so I grabbed my hands to Nebula. It looks so good. I mean, look at her, look at this shade. It looks so good on eyes, you guys. I just love the palette and I cannot wait to create more and more looks. When you talk about kohl/eye pencil, color bar has to be there. This is what I'm wearing right now. I already have their black eye glide kohl, but I always wanted to try some colorful eye pencils from Colourpop. Color bar, oh my god, my head. So this is in the shade Amethyst. It is one glide pencil. How great it is. One swipe and done. It's so good. I mean, you can see for yourself. Let's talk about kajal, you guys. I love a deep, nice kohl which is smudge free and yet so dark. So I've ordered Plum's Nature Studio Kajal. This was a thing back in 2018 or 2017, I guess. A little sharpener. So great of you, Plum. Oh my god, I like when lipsticks or kajal comes with a sharpener. Plus 5 points for that. Guys, I have a lot of hair on my arms, so ignore it. But can you see this? So smooth, it glides out so great. I'm so excited to try this on. Okay, so I didn't do eyeliner on this look because I am not a great fan of eyeliner when I'm not wearing my falsies. I didn't had any falsies with me at my place. Everything's at my studio. So this one is again a repurchase. It's called Forever 52's Miracle Eyeliner. It's jet black, it's matte, it stays for hours and it just doesn't get off. Let's talk about my lashes today. So let me tell you, I have the smallest lashes on Mother Earth. अभी मैंने मस्कारा लगाया है, all thanks to L'Oreal's Volume Million Lashes. I used this mascara from like 2016 because back in 2016 I heard it in a blog from Kim Kardashian that she uses L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes. And I was like, oh my god, Kim Kardashian uses it and look at her lashes, go for it. And I think this did a pretty well job today. Hello. So the shiny thing that I'm applying under my eyes and on my inner corner is Swiss Beauty's liquid eyeshadow, which is so good. It's as good as Stila's liquid eyeshadows, and it's only for $1.99, and I got it on discount, I think, for $150 or something, and I love it. I mean, look at my eyes. I always wanted Bahama Mama's bronzer. Looking up to Kaushil's channel and videos back in 2017, I was like, I'll buy Bahama Mama when it comes to India. Finally on sale, I grabbed the mini version of Bahama Mama bronzer, and you can see for yourself how chiseled my face looks after applying and blending this bronzer. This is gonna be my most favorite bronzer after the Too Faced one. I think I'm gonna apply more of Bahama Mama, ditching my Too Faced chocolate soleil bronzer from now on. Talking of the balm, I was very intrigued by the balm's packaging, and I finally have hands on the cult favorites Bahama Mama, and I've heard great reviews about their blushes too, so I thought let's just give it a try on the balms. It's a date blush. You can see it in the video how unhappy I am while applying the video, because I swirled my brush for like 3 times per side, and it just didn't show up that much. I mean, it's an average blush. I have a lot more great blushes than the balms. It's a date. Let's talk about the lip piece, my love. I was super excited to buy Swiss Beauty's lip liners. I think they are 12 in this one box. If you want a full review or swatches on this, just head to my Instagram. I'm gonna do a nice story regarding these lip liners. I am gonna give a swatch story on my Instagram probably on Sunday, so stay tuned. So again, repurchase, my friends. I have purchased Maybelline's Color Sensational lip liner in the shade Red Chocolate, my go-to while outlining the lips and making the perfect shape and perfect pout like Kylie Jenner. Red Chocolate is the one. I always tell you, brown goes with every lip color. This lip liner costs around $350. It's their MRP, but I got mine for $245 or something during the sale, or $235. I'm not sure, but go grab it. You'll love it. Do let me know if you purchase this lip liner. It's a game changer for perfect pout. Also, if you remember, while I was showing you the MAC's Conceal and Correct palette, I told you I got a full-size lipstick free from them. This is it. This is what I'm wearing on my lips right now. It's the MAC's Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Burnt Spice. It's like a mix of perfect brown, pink, nude that just gives an extra pout and volume to your lips after the lip liner. What say you guys? This lipstick alone is for $27 or $2,900, and it got a full size $2,700 to $2,900 lipstick for free. 2,500 से 3,000 के बीच की ये लिपस्टिक मुझे फ्री मिली है और मुझे बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, and I'm gonna use it every time on everyone. I also grabbed my favorite shade, Trophy Wife by Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick, and I'll show you the shade. It's so good, you guys. You'll love it. The regular MRP of this lipstick is $16.50, but I got this during sale. It was around $11.50 or $12.00. It's a nice mauve plum shade with a hint of blue undertones into it. I love lipsticks with blue undertone because it just makes my teeth appear a little more white while I smile. Guys, we are done with Nykaa haul. हमारे Nykaa के सब products ख़त्म हो गए. अभी मैं कुछ और brands आपको बताऊंगी जहाँ से मैंने purchase किया है like a month ago, which I didn't mention in my stories ever and are going on to my YouTube now. So I've ordered eyeliners and lipsticks from Recode. I've heard great reviews for Recode, so I've ordered these 3 shades from Recode: Selfie Mattes Lip Color Cream, in the shade Mother's Day, Graduation Day, and Valentine's Day. I'm gonna swatch it right now. I'm wearing Mother's Day in one of my videos. I'll just put a clip right in here, a picture where I'm wearing Mother's Day. So just have a look, but I'm anyway going to swatch it on my hand. I didn't press the button on while filming it, so I've already swatched it. I thought I'm talking to you guys, but idiot me. I'll start with a lighter shade. This one's called Graduation Day. It's a nice pale pink shade. This one's a coral peachy nude shade called Mother's Day. And the last one is Valentine's Day. It's a nice red with blue undertones into it. As I said, I love lipsticks with blue undertones, and it has all of it. So I've ordered 3 eyeliners. I don't know where my white eyeliner is. I think the white's at my studio, but I already worn it. I'm sharing you the picture right in here. I'm wearing white eyeliner from Regode here. Very pigmented, one glide eyeliner, super matte. Next up, we are gonna swatch Regode Picture Perfect eyeliner in the shade blue. It's already dry, it's not coming off. See how great and matte these eyeliners are. Instagram ads made me do it. So I've ordered Just Herbs lip and cheek tint. I love lip and cheek tints for natural glow on my everyday days, and I thought let's just give it a try on Just Herbs lip and cheek tint. And I have got 2 products. These are the shampoos free from them while ordering this. I think one is for $6.99 and I got these both for like $7.50 or something. There was a sale going on. This one's mahogany and that's the brick red. So if you need a swatch of these, head back to my Instagram stories. I'll be swatching these there on Sunday. Also, I forgot to show you these cute nail polishes I ordered from Faces Canada. These were for like $60 each during the sale, and I love the colors. And I'm thinking of giving up on my extensions for like a month, so you'll be seeing my fingers in this color more often now. Also, these are my recent purchases from an Instagram page called Beauty Swipe. These are the NYX's Brilliant Glitters. Thank you so much, Neha, for getting this back in stock. So I've ordered these 2 are still to be used. This one's blue and this one's, I guess, Sky Star. I don't know the names. I'm gonna put it right in here. So it's a nice blue shade. It's a mix of silver, black, and charcoal and grey and everything. Nice, like a galaxy. And this is a nice pink, purple, rose gold kind of glitter that I totally love it on my day brides. So that was it for the haul, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did filming and unboxing it in front of you and talking to you all. I love you guys so much. And also I'll be putting like my next video will be up on next Thursday, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be a vlog video, very different. It's gonna be a travel vlog. I filmed it back in like 2020 lockdown during Diwali. I went to Jaipur, Pushkar and Ajmer, so I'll be putting it up by next Thursday, so stay tuned for that. And do let me know if some product intrigued you to buying, and if you're gonna buy that, do let me know in the comments below. I would love to make new videos for you guys every week. Thank you so much for all the support, and take care. I love you. Stay safe, stay home.